Hello, it's me. Hello my dreamers and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry for the lack of videos I've been putting out lately. I have been trying to focus on my health and it turns out that I do have some allergies and asthma, so that is what's causing all the nasal congestion, runny nose, and all of that jazz. I went to an allergist and that is the conclusion of my health issues, and I am going to be getting some allergy shots to maybe help with that. So yeah, hopefully that is a solution to my problem and I can not have to worry about that because that was really high on my priority. After that's done, I can hopefully focus on putting out some more content for you guys because that is what I enjoy doing. So yeah, today's video is going to be very exciting because I'm going to test yet another brow product. You heard it. I don't have my brows on besides the micro shading that I've got done a year ago. So yeah, I'm excited to try out this new product. If you guys are up to date with the beauty community, then you guys know that Anastasia came out with their own brow lamination product. This is the new Anastasia Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. So I already tried out the Patrick Ta brow product. I forgot what it's called. When I first tried it, I really did like it. I really enjoyed it. I think it really helped make my brows look really nice and fluffy and laminated, but the wear time really does suck. Like every time I have it on, it already starts falling down and it wasn't even like an hour yet. In that video, it was like a first impression, so obviously I was testing it out at that moment and it was really nice at that moment, but I just really hated the spritzing of the setting spray into the product. It just created a really messy look. There's a lot of residue on it. I used it for a couple more times and I just completely stopped, and yeah, it was a bummer because the laminated look is a look that I really liked. I actually got my brows laminated professionally and I liked it so much. I've been on the hunt for a good brow product that will help me achieve that laminated look. So this new one right here looks like a little tiny jar right here, and I love the little rose goldish packaging on top here. It says Anastasia, but the inside looks like a little clear gel. This cost $23. So it's not too bad. It was on par to the Patrick Ta one, which was $22 I believe. So I'm excited. What I like about this is that it doesn't need like a setting spray to activate the product. It should be really sticky on its own. This is going to be my first impression, and I will have to try it a couple times to see the staying power and the hold. I do have really thick and long brow hairs. I'm always up for the challenge when it comes to brow products. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how this performs on these brows, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. And I also bought their brush. This is their brush 12. It's a dual-ended brush and I really don't like those type of brush, but it is what it is. I don't have a spoolie anymore. If I did, I wouldn't have purchased this, but a spoolie obviously, and then it has the little it's kind of like a brush. I'm going to come a little closer so you guys can see. This is clear, like nothing on my brows. I have no gel, no product. This is just how my brows are on a daily basis. I have the product here, I have the brush here. I'm going to dip my spoolie in here. Ooh, it's really jelly-like. That might have been a little bit too much. Oh my goodness. But I did see a lot of them were putting the product onto the top of the cap, which I find kind of weird because I wouldn't really want my packaging to be all sticky or whatever. So I'm just gonna go with it because that's what they did, but they just kind of like put it on top of this to kind of just get rid of the product a little bit, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to start pushing my brows up. Oh, this is definitely more sticky. Ooh. Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry for my brows. I'm just really bad at maintaining my brows, so my apologies for these really long brow hairs. Yeah, that was so easy to achieve that look. On this other side, they were using it to press down the product. So I'm going to be doing that as well. I'm just going to push it down a little bit more. Push it down. Oh, wow. So that's how it looks. Of course, you can just go ahead and fix the top part a little bit. It's the whole point of this product. It needs to be sticky so it can stay up. So yeah, I really like that. I'm just going to add a little bit more on here. And the same thing on the top of the cap, I'm going to just smear it a little bit like that. My goodness. I'm just going to press it down. Look at this mess of a brow. Really though. Push it down. It looks like the product is starting to dry down a little bit, so you can always go in and fill in your brows with like brow pencil or like the powder. But for me personally, I like it like this. I am really impressed with this. I am definitely going to try a little bit more because I don't know how the wear time is going to be, because I'm not really going anywhere after this, so it's not like I can really wear it for a long time. But I will definitely keep trying the product out. But first impression, I really like it, and it is definitely a little bit easier to use than the Patrick Ta one. I am really happy with this product so far, and I've always really enjoyed Anastasia products. Whenever they come out with something, I'm always like really eager to try it. They're definitely one of the top brands that I really like, and it's also one of my favorite brands. Hopefully this will exceed my expectations because I really need a good brow product right now. Thank you so much for watching, and if this video was helpful in any way, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my little family here on YouTube. I'd appreciate that so much. Thank you all so much for the love and support, and I will be back with more content. Bye!